Hello friends, welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show and tell you how you can remove someone from the admin in a WhatsApp group. Please write your comments, put your likes and subscribe to our channel. And let us get started with you. And in order for you to be able to remove someone from the admin in a WhatsApp group, I will tell you right away that you must be either the creator of that group or you must be the administrator of that group in WhatsApp. And if you have that authority, you can remove someone from the admin in your WhatsApp group. Then I'll show you how to do that. Open the WhatsApp app itself. After that, go to the group. Then at the top, click on the group name, and then scroll down a little bit here to the members section. And here you'll be able to, if you have, say, a lot of members in a group, you can click on this search sign here, and then you can search for the person's name to find them. And when you've found the person you want to remove from the administrators, click on that person. And you'll see there's a section called Remove from Admin. Click here. And in the same way, as you can see, immediately the person is no longer an administrator of the group. This is the very simple way you can easily and quickly remove someone from the admins in a WhatsApp group. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you and helped you. Please leave your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and until new meetings.